In the previous class we discussed the topic, general body cleanliness. Cleanliness is the act of being clean without dust, stains, and bad smells. Cleanliness is very important for physical and mental well-being. In today's class, we will be learning the meaning of first aid box. A first aid box is a kit that consists of tools and equipment which is used to administer first aid or emergency medical treatment. Content of first aid box. There are various items found in the first aid box or kit. A basic first aid kit may contain bandages, scissors, cotton wool, iodine, plaster of different sizes, safety pins, hand towel, antiseptic, cleansing agent or soap, splint, etc. A first aid box is enough to administer first aid care and should be continued until advanced care becomes available.